When it comes to your windows and your door schedule table, existing command, but I'm going to show you that once you're going to zoom to a specific object, it will keep it selected. So on my left-hand side, as you can see, is the window schedule table. Now the command that I've used is under draw, go down to scheduling, and then you get your window schedule and your door schedule. Remember, this is on your AEC model. Then on the right-hand side is just my model itself. So I'm going to change it to hidden line. And now we're going to zoom to a specific window. So on the left-hand side, I've noticed that window number 4, the material, it says timber, although the type says NC12F. I'm going to select the table, right click, I'm going to go to the schedule table option, and I'm going to ask Caddie to zoom to a specific object in the schedule table. Caddie will then ask us, select the schedule table item. So I'm going to select number 4. Now, first of all, as you can see on the left-hand side, it's give me a top view where the window is. And on the right-hand side, there you can see there's the preview of the window. And in my object properties, if I scroll down, I can see that style is a NC12F. So this is supposed to be a steel window. So now I can correct the table by just right-click. I'm going to go to Edit Door Window Assembly Style. And in this dialog, at the bottom, you get your property set. And I'm going to change the timber to steel. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to say Apply. Close the dialog. And now if I go to Zoom Last, now it updates my table.